So you didn't find any easiest proven method to copy your shared folders to your My Drive. Here's how with a simple tool by Premium Bundles. You just need to copy your shared folder URL that you need to transfer to My Drive and paste it here. Now let's go and copy the My Drive folder URL where we want to copy the shared folder and paste it here. Now just click Run All and wait for a few seconds. Let the required cells run, and here your files and folders have started copying. As you can see, the copying files. All your files got transferred to My Drive. You got the ownership now. So as we showed in the introduction in short, you got how this all works. So here is the full detailed overview of the tool. So when you open the tool, first thing, make sure to click on File and Save a Copy in Drive. And make sure this entire file transfer will only work with the account you're logged in with. This tool can transfer shared folder to My Drive in the same account you logged in with. You can't copy to another account. Let's go to Shared with Me and find a shared folder that you need to copy to transfer to My Drive. Here I will copy the health and fitness and books so you can see all the folders and files inside it. Let's copy the folder and paste it here. Now let's see where we want to transfer. By the way, if you keep the destination folder as it is, it will copy the shared folder to your My Drive by default. But as you can see, I want to copy to a destination folder in My Drive, so I need to paste its URL here. Now let's go and copy the My Drive folder URL where I want to copy the shared folder. As you can see, this untitled folder is empty. Copy its link, come to the tool, and paste it in the destination folder URL. Now just click Run All and wait for a few seconds. Let the required cells run. As you can see, this is the first cell. It will authenticate Google Drive, so you need to allow here. Then you will see your logged in account. Select and continue. Again, continue. So you can see all the cells are completing, and you can see the fourth cell is Telegram notification cell. For Telegram notification, you need to create a Telegram bot. As you can see here in cell 4, instructions are there on how to create a Telegram bot. Then you need to get your Telegram bot ID and your personal chat ID. As you can see here on Telegram, this is my Telegram notification bot, which I have created for this tool. Once you authenticate your Google account, then the second, third, and fourth cells will be automatically completed, and our last cell will start copying all the folders and files as it is to your destination folder. So you can see here, our copying folders and files have started. Let's go and check in My Drive, Untitled folder, and see if it is copying the folder that we have selected for transferring. As you can see, here is the folder Health and Fitness Books, and you can still see all the folders are copying live. Congratulations! All files have copied to your My Drive, and you're the owner of those files and folders now in just 2 minutes. Total transferred, 1.86 gigabytes. You can see this is how the output will be when all the folders have completed transferring, with a notification and the URL. Let's check if the Telegram notification has arrived or not. Here you can see in our notification bot, there's a clear message of Health and Fitness Books, completed with the open URL and the check mark of the completed transfer status. Now let's go back and compare if all files and folders have copied or not. Now we are under My Drive. Inside Untitled folder, here is Health and Fitness Books folder. Now, let's come inside the Shared Folders Health and Fitness Books folder, and you can see 11 folders and 44 files for Shared folder. Now let's move to My Drive, and here is 11 folders and 44 files. So that's the full explanation of this part of the video. This was the one folder that we backed up. This tool copies the entire folder structure as it is, with all the files as it is in the shared folder to your destination. Let's say you want to back up more than one folder at a time. Don't get mixed up. When I say more than one folder, I mean you can pick several. If you just pick one folder, it backs up that folder plus all the subfolders and files inside, as it was in shared folder. But if you pick more like folders A, B, and C, it does them one by one. It starts copying folder first. Once A is all done, it automatically jumps to B. Then, when B finishes, it goes to C. It keeps going like that until every folder you picked is backed up. So we are here selecting 4 folders from inside the fiction books. Let's copy the link of all the folders and paste it to our tool here. Remember, links for more than one folder should be big and separated by commas. Let me check my destination folder. Yes, it is the same as before, the previous one, untitled folder. Start the cell. Okay, as I'm starting the cell, it shows me some error. So don't worry, it could be some connection issue. So when this happens, always try to run all the cells by running from the top. The error was because the notebook, this Colab tool again, needs access to authenticate the Google account again. Here we go. All the cells are now running, and all the 4 folders here you can see are copying. The first folder has successfully copied, and the trigger notification has arrived to us. Let me skip and show you the finished one. As you can see, all the folders have copied successfully. And here on Telegram, you can see all the notifications with their timestamp of finished. Here on the Notion page, you can see the full guide of this tool step by step if you do not understand anything about it. If you read this, you will understand everything from very detailed explanations to simple words with images. I can say realistically 5-6 days is good for you backing up more than 1 terabyte because I have backed up 1 terabyte with this tool in just 5-6 days. Actually, it depends on the number of files. If you have 1,000 files of 1 megabyte each, it will do at the same speed as another 1,000 files with 100 megabytes each. So it always depends on how many files are being processed at the same time, rather than being limited by just the amount of storage. When I'm saying it will back up, it can back up this much. It always depends on the number of files it's backing up, which we see in the output. Copying, copying, copying. As I have shown you on the thumbnail that this can back up 200 gigabytes in 5 minutes. Yes, it can. It depends on how many big files are there. It can do it easily because it's a direct drive-to-drive transfer by the Google API. So there is no limit on copying. It can directly copy 1 gigabyte in 2 seconds. It depends on the file size, so it takes time because of the number of files. That's all. So if you want to check the full detail about this tool, you can go on this Notion page link in the description. So here is the price of this tool that you can see. 327 rupees is for the first 50 users only. This is a promotional offer, a promotion price for the early birds. So go first and get it first. As soon as the limit hits 50 users, it will be its normal price, 799 rupees. If you want to try the tool, we have a little trial version as well, which helps you understand how the tool works. Here are some cons and limitations of our tool. Yeah, every tool has some limitations, like you can see. Transfer speed may vary, as we are explaining in this tool limitations. Large file transfer, like if you're transferring more than 100 gigabytes, 200 gigabytes, it can be harder to perfectly measure how much you have transferred, and that's why we have given instructions on it. Then it works only with Google accounts. That's what this tool is for, and it requires an internet connection. That's basic. A little Colab thing, that's very basic. Telegram notification needs to be configured as well. Colab session inactivity limits, just that little thing with the Colab-based tools. So I don't think it's a much bigger issue. This is very minimal. You can see I have honestly opened up with you so that you have a very clear idea of this tool, what it is and how it works, what limitations it has. Every tool has its pros and cons. Nothing is perfect in this world. Okay, so let's go ahead. Let's check out the product on the website. Here you can see the product page on. Okay, here you can see the free trial edition version link as well. Let's click and let's download it. Here you can see the product on the Premium Bundles official Telegram channel. Here is the Google Drive Direct download link. Let's download. It got downloaded. Let's open the PDF. Oh wow, congratulations. You got the free trial of this Google Drive shared folder copy to My Drive tool. So you can download it, guys, and check it out. So let's go back to the page. As I have said earlier, the price of the tool for the first 50 customers is 327 rupees. The actual price of the tool is 799 rupees. But wait, we have an extra 60 rupees discount code by joining EliteSpace. So let's add a card. We are here now. Let's add the discount code. The normal price of the product is 327 rupees. Let's find the discount code and add it here. In the product description, there is a link of the discount code which mentioned the link is dropped on the Telegram. So we're going directly to Telegram to get the discount code. So we are on Telegram, guys. You can see the products. Here is our pro version of the tool, and here you can see the discount code link. Let's click it and open it. This discount code is kind of hidden. To get a discount code, we have to just follow one simple step, which is join the EliteSpace Telegram channel. That's what this discount code is about. It's an EliteSpace promotion discount code where you join the exclusive EliteSpace membership Telegram channel and get this discount instantly. So now join. Click Join Channel. It will be redirected to the Telegram application to join the chats in the folder. That's what the EliteSpace is. It's a group of exclusive premium channels which will help you grow in your life. Like you can see Seed to Success. Mine 2 million life motivational quotes and facts and tricks. Trading tips and elite deals with some entertainment and some technical and AI news. And the premium bundles where you can find the hundreds to even thousands of upcoming premium bundles free and the paid ones with the exclusive discounts. So once you click join, it then closes the application and goes back to that website. And now, here you can see the link is unlocked and you have to click the get link button at the bottom. Ta-da! Here is your EliteSpace membership coupon code. Just copy it and let's go back to the checkout page and paste it here, and don't forget to click apply. Now you can see that your product is now 60 rupees off and the actual price is now 267 rupees. Let's check out. Here, you can see the total summary of your bill and payment methods. You can easily pay with UPI, with Razor Pay, and with card and net banking as well. Let me show you how to proceed with UPI. So click the UPI and proceed to pay. Soon you will get the pop-up of the UPI payment. Then you have to enter your number and proceed. Now you can see the payment and the total price summary, and you can pay with your UPI QR code and by your Google Pay. So now let's go back. So you can see here on Premium Bundles, you can find many exclusive digital products with free bundles and the lowest premium bundles just at 92% off. So that's all for this tool guide, guys. Thank you so much for staying till the end of this video. Hope you will love the tool and it solves the problem you're seeking to fix.